Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about the 18 electron rule and the electron count of organometallic compounds. In main group chemistry, the electronic structure of many compounds are based on a total valence electrons count of 8. They obey octet rule. Similarly, in organometallic chemistry, the electronic structure of many compounds are based on a total valency electron count of 18. Now, we are going to count total electrons present in organometallic compounds. Total electrons present in organometallic compounds may be counted by two ways. First method is donor pair method. This method considers donate electron pairs ligand to the metal. We must take into account the charge on each ligand and determine the formal oxidation state of the metal. For example, pentahaptocyclopentadienyl is considered by this method C5H5-. The method considers donate electron pair ligand to the metal. We must take into account the charge on each ligand. Therefore, the pentahaptocyclopentadienyl is considered by this method C5H5-. Therefore, donor of 3 electron pairs, it has a 6 electron donor. Another examples, chloride Cl- is a 2 electron donor. Next, hydrogen atom is a 2 electron donor. Next, we are going to see method 2, neutral ligand method. Now, I am going to count total electrons present in ferrocene compound using method 1, donor pair method. The formula of ferrocene compound is pentahaptocyclopentadienyl twice Fe. The atomic number of ion is 26. Therefore, the electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d6. Now, these 18 electrons are equals to the noble gas argon. This electronic configuration also written as argon 4s2 3d6. Now, the method 1 considers donor pair method considers the d electrons only. Therefore, ion atom have 6 electrons. Next, in ferrocene compound, 2 cyclopentadienyl rings are present. Therefore, we already discussed cyclopentadienyl anion have 6 electrons. Therefore, 2 cyclopentadienyl present in ferrocene compound. Now, 2 into cyclopentadienyl C5H5- is equals to 2 into 6 equals to 12 electrons. Now, total 18 electrons present in ferrocene compound. Next, we are going to discuss about method 2, neutral ligand method. In this method, ligands are considered to donate the number of electrons equal to their negative charge on free ions. Example 1. Penta-apto-cyclopentadienyl have 5 pi electron system and 5 electron donor. Next, chlorine Cl minus 1 electron donor, charge on because of charge on free ion is -1. Third one, the oxygen atom 2 electron donor, charge on free ion is -2. Fourth one, nitrogen atom 3 electron donor, charge on free ion is -3. We studied two methods. First method is donor pair method. Another method is neutral ligand method. Neutral pair method is very easy to count the total electrons present in organometallic compounds. So, neutral pair method is frequently used. Now, we are going to see electron counting schemes for common ligands. Hydrogen, chlorine, bromine, iodine, alkyl groups are 1 electron donor. Carbonyl, trialkyl phosphine, phosphine trialkoxide and alkenes are 2 electron donor. Triapto C3H5 and carbynes are 3 electron donor. Tetraaptodiene and tetraaptocyclopentadiene are 4 electron donors. Pentaapto C5H5 cyclopentadienyl is a 5 electron donor. Hexaaptobenzene is 6 electron donor. Linear NO molecule is 3 electron donor. Bend-shaped NO molecule is 1 electron donor. Now I am going to tell you electron count of ferrocene compound using neutral ligand method. We already discussed the electronic configuration of Fe is argon 4s2 3d6. In previous method, we considered only d orbital electrons. But in this method, we will take all the outermost orbital electrons. Therefore, 8 electrons present in outer orbital. Fe atom have 8 electrons. 8 electrons. In ferrocene compound, 2 cyclopentadienyl rings are present. Therefore, C5H5 is equals to 5 electron donor. 2 cyclopentadienyl rings are present. Therefore, 2 into 5 is equals to 10 electrons. Now, total 10 plus 8 is equals to 18 electrons. So, 18 electrons present in ferrocene compound. Next compound, hexacarbonyl chromium, CrCO6. The electronic configuration of chromium is argon 3 4s1 3d5. 6 electrons present in chromium. Therefore, chromium atom have 6 electrons. Next, 6 carbonyl atoms are present. The charge of carbonyl group is 2. 6 CO. Therefore, charge of carbonyl group is 2 into 6 is equals to 12 electrons. Total 6 plus 12 is equals to 18 electrons. 18 electrons present in CrCO6.